Late nights, cold silence, but my heart still runs to you. You've been crying in the kitchen light, trying hard just to survive the night. Too much pressure on your weary soul, too much distance taking all control. And I know we both been losing sleep, fighting battles buried way too deep. But when you touch me, I still feel something honest, something real. Underneath all this pain, I still feel your love remain. Yeah, we're still talking, but we missed the meaning. Words feel cold, but your eyes still dreaming. Every small thing turns a wall somehow. We forgot how to slow it down. I miss the peace inside your smile, dancing barefoot for a little while. And I know you miss it too, 'cause your soul still runs to mine like truth. Still believe in us, even through the tears and broken trust. Even through the nights we self-destruct, I still see forever there. Still believe in us, no replacement could replace this love. We just lost the way beneath the dust, but the fire still lives somewhere. You don't really want somebody new, and deep inside I know it's true. 'Cause every road still leads to me, and every dream still whispers we. Emotionally tired, ain't emotionally gone. That's the truth we ignored too long. We got wounded by the weight of life, not by lack of sacrifice. And I hate the way we let things fade, all the promises we never saved. But if your hand still reaches out, then maybe love can turn around. Still believe in us, even if the stars stop shining above. I would fight through every storm for us, till the sky gives back the light. Still believe in us, 'cause real love ain't quitting when it's tough. Real love rebuilds when times get rough. And I still choose you tonight. Can we heal what pride destroyed? Can we fill this empty void? 'Cause every heartbeat in my chest still says your name above the rest. So pull me closer than before, let the healing crash ashore. No more running from the truth, I still see my home in you. Through the ashes we ignite, turning darkness into light. And if tomorrow starts again, I still choose you in the end. Still believe in us, still believe in us. Let the whole world hear the sound of us.